I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Hey, why not? Yeah, coming in hot. Coming in hot.
All right, everybody. I want to do a follow-up video. This is post. I've finished everything on my Clinched Flares kit. Wheels are in, wheels are on, flares are on. The wheels I have, the wheels that I went with are the company's called XO, and the wheel type is Florence. I did 245, 45, 20s in the front with I think it's a 15 offset, and on the rear is 275 45 20s with a 25 offset, and that's a 20 by 10 and a half and 20 by 9 in the front. For those asking, I am running 2-inch spacers all the way around. So the wheels are pushed out to my liking. They tuck in to my liking, and that's where they're sitting. So right now I've got the car aired up. It's at my high height because I have to raise my car extremely high to get up my driveway. I have a very steep driveway. So I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you the final walk around. I'm still going to do a little bit of touch-up stuff, but this pretty much is how it's sitting on the car. Okay, so here, as you see, wheels are setting in. They're at the they're pushed out enough for me, and when you drop the car, it sets down on them, so they're nice and tucked. Had the Fender Flares painted gloss white, and they look phenomenal. And what I did was I used, if you're familiar with RWB, if not, look up who and what RWB is. But I basically did RWB tribute to seal the Fender Flares onto the car. So here's my 20 by 9s in the front with 2-inch spacer. 20 by 10 and a half, 2-inch spacer. And it's sticking out enough for me. All in all, I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Every bit of this work, minus painting, every bit of this work was my own. So there's Winter Soldier as he sits. Project completed.
Slimky, what up?